Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to unarchive your cards in Trello web application. So the first thing that I would need you to do now is to open your Trello website and then just connect with your Trello account, and if you don't already have one, just uh, connect with your Google, Facebook or Apple accounts. Otherwise you can just sign up with your you can just sign up with your email and then just create a new account, and then you will be able to access to your Trello workspace. So after that you will need just to follow these simple steps. So basically now we need to go to a border so we can be able to unarchive a card. So to do so, we will need to go to boards, click on boards, and here we'll find the list of your boards. Otherwise, you can just search for your boards section, and here we'll find the list of the boards that you have in your workspace. So I'm going to use the board, this one, and I'm going to archive a card so I can show you how to unarchive it. So I'm going to click archive, and as you can see, it has been archived. Basically, now I'm going to this 3 points action, and I'm going to click on it, and basically we are going to click on more so we can access to our archived items. As you can see, this is the archived items of our board, and basically those are the archived cards that we have in our boards. And to unarchive them, just click on send to board and they will go back to your board as they were. So as you can see, after we click on send to board, they have been unarchived successfully. So basically this is how you can unarchive your boards in Trello web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.